I'm Taylor,
And I'm Chef Hayden.
and we are preparing ham and cheese sliders on the Tasty Tiger.
So to start it off, we got 2 tablespoons of butter, some half teaspoon of some honey mustard, half teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, half teaspoon of minced onions, and some poppy seeds. So to start it, we're just gonna mix all these. Because this will be going on the buns, and we'll mix it all together. So now we got it all mixed here.
And then after that, we are going to cut halfway of a green onion. Just because these ends are not as flavorful as the top part. And then there's a little bit dry on the end, so we're going to cut that off as well. And then for this cut, it's just called a bias cut. And for this green onion, we're going to be adding it towards the end after the buns are fully cooked with all the spreading on it. And probably cut them a little bit smaller as well.
And then we're just gonna be making 4 sliders today, so we got our buns here. I'll cut these up. And then we'll be baking these in a toaster oven today.
And I have the ham steak slices as well as the Swiss cheese slices.
So we got our 4 buns, and then we'll just put the ham on there first. And then we chose the steak ham, but at home you guys can use any ham you want, whether it's
As well as cheese too. It does not have to be Swiss cheese, but we preferred it that way. We might just fold them instead. Going on with the Swiss cheese.
one with those on there. Or should we put? Yeah.
And so then we're going to put the buns on top. And so for the sauce, it's just going to be covered, spread evenly all on the top. And then we're going to cover it with tin foil.
So the butter is getting a little unmelted here, so you just want to make sure with the butter it'll dry, so you want to do it quick. Get a nice even spread, and then we're just about good to throw it in the toaster oven. Then we'll also be covering this in tin foil.
And so after it comes out of the oven, we have the green onion and the chopped parsley that will be sprinkled on the top.
Alright, so then we'll throw it in there at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes, or just until the cheese is melted, whichever comes first. Alright, so we decided to choose these sliders because they were quick and easy to make and pretty simple, and anybody can make these at home. You can make any of the changes you want, whether you follow it step by step or switch up the ham and cheese. So we'll just wait until it's done here.
So now that we've taken it out, we are going to add the chopped parsley and sprinkle just a little bit on top.
And then for you guys at home, it's up to you if you want to add this. We like it for personal taste. We think it tastes better with it. But obviously you don't have to add it if you don't like parsley or onions with it.
And then just add a few pieces of green onions.
And now you got your finished plate, and you'll be ready to eat it.
Well, thank you for joining us for the ham and cheese sliders.
We'll see you next time on the Tasty Tiger.